For today's video, interior AC filter cleaning. Before we start, we need to prepare our tool. Rubber gloves, Phillips screwdriver, To start, we need to locate our AC filter first. On this particular vehicle, Ford Territory, you can find your AC filter behind the passenger compartment. Before we can completely open this compartment, we need to remove the bottom plastic trim. But first, if you have items inside your compartment, I would suggest you remove it beforehand. Using your screwdriver, locate all 3 screws that's holding the plastic trim in place. And I already remove all the screws before and will just set it aside. Now we can remove this plastic trim gently. Next step is to open the compartment and remove the string that holds the compartment itself. Please take your time on this. Use your both hands. It automatically retracts inside. We can now squeeze both sides of the compartment to loosen and bring down the box. Carefully bring down the compartment. It will now reveal the AC filter holder with cover. We need to remove the cover first to access the AC filter by squeezing both sides of the cover. And now you can freely remove the AC filter, and please remember the correct orientation of the filter. We are only going to focus our attention to this 8C filter. As you can see, it is not too dirty, just some loose dust. Now we are going to bring it to the blower to remove some loose particles and dust. Use the blower function on your vacuum. And if you have an attachment like this for tight spaces, it is better so you can completely clean the filter. This is important. You need to blow against the direction of the airflow of U8C unit. In this way, you remove the dust away from the filter, not into the filter. Then blow the loose dirt on the surface of the other side of the filter. I used brush to agitate the dust that are stubborn. Blow air to the filter to remove the dust completely. You can clearly see dust flying around as soon as the blower hits.
Nice job, blower.
We are now going to install the filter. It's just the reverse process of the removal. This is where struggles start. Here you really need to be patient. Use your both hands on this. Finally, Install the plastic trim. Push it gently until it fits snugly. Screw the plastic trim. Now you're all set. Good to go.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.